Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing specific gear. Equip the Mortal Blade and the Lightning Protector prosthetic, and make sure you have any dragon-related buffs active. Once done, position yourself in an arena with room to kite and vertical options. That space matters for lightning arcs. Begin the engagement by isolating one enemy, forcing a single target encounter. This gives you control. You want early posture damage. Use quick hits to build posture. Then move into the charging sequence described next. Once you've isolated the target, focus on creating and exploiting openings. Land a few quick hits to raise posture, then perform a charged Mortal Blade combo to trigger the lightning arc. Make sure to time deflects and Makiri counters. They open enemies and multiply damage. If you have prosthetic lightning tools, chain them immediately with a jump slash to maximize stagger. Keep moving between bursts to avoid wide telegraphed attacks, and monitor stamina so you don't get locked out of a crucial parry. To finish, commit to a decisive Mortal Blade surge or a built lightning cloud burst when the enemy's posture is critical. This converts all built-up lightning into lethal damage. If your lightning isn't proxing, make sure prosthetic timing is exact and try shorter combos to preserve posture gain. Alternatively, pivot to posture break methods. If things go wrong, back off completely, heal, and reset the fight with the same one-target approach. This clears status issues and lets you reapply the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.